This concept is just solving this and checking if there is a solution or not. All right, so let's see. Now for this, right, if we solve for this, all you need firstly is what? Solve the parentheses. So for the left hand side, we have 4v plus 4 plus v equals, on the right hand side, 5v minus 5 plus 9. Now if you do that, 4v plus v is what? 5v, then plus 4, right? And on this side, we also have what? 5v. Negative 5 plus 9 is what? Plus 4. Now, as you can see, we have 5v plus 4 equals 5v plus 4. If you want to solve this like we usually do, what do we get? We will get 0 equals 0. Because if you subtract 5v, you have 0. If you subtract 4, you have 0. So we get 0 equals 0. What does that mean? It means from here, any value that you plug in for v, you will get the same answer. Any value. If you plug in 1 here, because they are the same, the left hand side is the same as the right hand side. So if you plug in 1, you get the same answer. If you plug in 0, you get the same answer. So that means all real numbers are solutions to this. All real numbers are solutions. If you plug in all the real numbers, the left hand side will be equal to the right hand side. That is what this question means. So this will be the answer. Now let us check the second one. The second one, the same approach. Negative 3w, negative 12, negative 2w equals 2w plus 2. Now if you do that, negative 3w, negative 2w is negative 5w, negative 12 equals 2w plus 2. So now I want to add 5w to both sides. So I will have negative 3w plus 2. Oh no, 7w, because I am adding 5w. So now I want to subtract 2 from both sides. So negative 2, this is negative 14 equals 7w. Now to get my w, so this is a different scenario, right? So that shows w, negative 14 divided by 7 is what? Negative 2. So that shows w equals negative 2. That is the answer. Now if you plug in negative 2 into this, if you plug in negative 2 here, negative 2 plus 4 is 2. 2 times negative 3 is what? Negative 6. Then plus 4 is what? Negative 2. Now this side, negative 2 plus 1 is negative 1. Negative 1 times 2 is negative 2. So negative 2 is equal to negative 2, and that shows that the left hand side is equal to the right hand side. So I hope you understand this concept now. When all the numbers are solution, and when just one number is a solution, and when there is no solution is when you plug into the equation and the left hand side is not equal to the right hand side. And probably if you have a rational expression and you plug in the value and at the denominator you have 0, that is not the solution, because we don't want to have 0 at the denominator. We are not there yet, so don't let me push too much. We will get there. So far now we've added that we don't just have just one solution, but sometimes we can have all real numbers to be the solution. All right, I'll see you in the next problem for another concept. Interesting concept.